My people, well done. My name is Dr. Toyin. Today we go discuss World AIDS Day. December 1 na World AIDS Day. HIV dem first discover am in 1983. In 2022, the World Health Organization tok say 1.3 million people dey newly diagnosed with HIV, and e get about 39 million people wey dey live with HIV. HIV na human immunodeficiency virus, and e fit lead to AIDS, which na acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. When you get HIV, your body no go fit fight infection, so any small infection when come, you go just sick. Person when get AIDS, e be say the HIV don dey im body well and the person go soon die. The person no go fit fight infection again. Na the last bus stop. You fit get this HIV if you dey in contact with person wey get HIV and their body fluid like either semen, blood, or even through childbirth, e come in contact with you. If you think say you don come in contact, abeg go meet your health person, because dem fit just do one small blood test wey go fit tell you if you get HIV. Even if you get this HIV, dem get medicine wey fit help you, and people with HIV dem dey live long and dem dey live healthy. So abeg go meet your health professional. I hope say you don understand wetin be HIV/AIDS, and until next time, make sure say you smile because e dey healthy. Una bye bye o.